It's 9 a.m. This time check is brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical with over 300 stores nationwide. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Anak, gising na. Anak.
Rise and shine, mga ka-vibes. Don't forget to warm up and exercise every morning to start the day right. Eat your breakfast and have your daily dose of vitamin GV. This is GV 99.1, your good vibes.
Ot masanting ya, pero abot kaya ya in Right Med. Kasi buriming Right Med, amakiyabe kayong yestu, keng bie, para keng pamilya, para keng balen.
Persist, consult your doctor.
Gusto ng Right Med na gumaling kayo.
Maligayang buwan ng kababaihan. Ito po si Angeles City Vice Mayor Vicky Vega Cabigting. Nagbibigay pugay sa lahat ng kababaihan at sa kanilang mga kontribusyon sa ating lipunan.
Para po. Nanghihina? Dugo mo to. Baka anemic ka. You need the help of 60 milligrams of iron from Hemarate FA. Para Hemarite. Right dose. Kaya recommended for Filipinos for DOH-AO number 2010-0010 with proper diet and exercise. Para po! Hemarate FA. The blood vitamin.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Iron pyridoxine, vitamin B6, cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12, folic acid is the generic name of Hemarate FA. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Hemarate FA. The blood vitamin.
For people like me, every second counts. So I switched to Real Fiber, Converge Fiber technology, for as low as 1,500 pesos. No data cap. Experience better with Converge Fiber technology.
For inquiries, call FiberX hotline 667-0848, 045-598-3000 or 598-3030.
Capito Sports Bar in Angeles City. Live sports, billiards, hip-hop, comedy, DJs, live bands, and more. Open 24/7 with free entrance at Capito Sports Bar on the second floor of Courthouse, Bayanihan Park, Angeles City. Soon to open Capito Sports Bar in Mabiga, Mabalacat.
Mapabata man o lolo, kahit simpleng alaga, nag-iiwan ng marka sa'yo. Husay malasakit, iaalay sa alagang Unilab yan.
For 80 years, husay at malasakit ang nilalaan sa bawat gamot, sa bawat Pilipino para makapagbigay ng alagang makakatulong sa'yo na mag-iwan ng marka sa iba. Ito ang alagang Unilab para sa'yo.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Happy 40 wonderful years!
Can you believe it, mga ka-vibes? We've been together for 41 years. This wouldn't be possible without your love, mga ka-vibes. And of course, the hard work and teamwork behind our passionate DJs, diligent technicians, and talented radio staff. Happy 40 wonderful years. We will surely make more memories together. GB 99.1 is always here to make you feel good anytime and anywhere. This is GB 99.1.
99.1.
GB 99.1. GB 99.1.
GB 99.1.
This is GB 99.1, your good vibes!
Gusto mo bang makarinig ng mga kwento?
Talaga lang
Ako si DJ Kakay, ang inyong kaakay sa bawat kabanata ng buhay.
Sandali, hindi pa ako tapos.
Ang buhay ay minsan nakakatawa.
Thank you so much, Amen!
Nakakalungkot.
Grabe kayo eh.
Minsan,
Akala ko ba, baby mo ako?
nakakatakot.
Huwag mo nang isipin yung...
Minsan, nasa taas.
Lahat ng araw sa inyo.
At minsan,
Titikman ninyo ang batas ng isang api!
nasa ibaba.
Oo, sinabi mo pa.
Nandito ako para maibahagi ang iba't ibang kwento para sa inyo. Abangan niyo po ang kakaibang stories every Tuesday and Thursdays, 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Dito lang yan sa kaakay niyong Good Vibe Station, GV 99.1.
This song is brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical with over 300 stores nationwide. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.